So if you want to cash out millions from crypto to your bank account, you really got a few options of doing that. Unfortunately, traditional banks do not really recognize cryptocurrency as a viable asset class. Most traditional banks, they block your account if you withdraw large amounts from crypto. So here are two options that you can that you can take in order to off-ramp large amounts of money to your bank account without any problem. So the first option is to use private banking. This is the option for ultra high net worth individuals. So if you got more than 5, more than 10 millions of dollars in crypto, you want to off-ramp this to your bank account. The best way to do this is through a private bank. So private banking in Switzerland, in Liechtenstein are the options for you. They accept high net worth individual clients. The barrier of entry is really high, so you have to really prove that you got the money. You have to hold some money on these accounts. So you cannot really withdraw money from crypto to your Swiss bank and then transfer it to some other bank or pay for things. You have to hold this money for a certain period of time. Typically it's 6 months, but when you withdraw money to this account, this money stays there. Right? They don't block your account. They do not scrutinize you over minor withdrawals or on-ramps in and out of crypto like traditional banks do. So in Switzerland, the examples would be the Signum Bank, the Amina Bank, or BBVA Swiss. Perfect examples of private and crypto-friendly banking in Switzerland. In Liechtenstein, it's LGT Bank. This bank is used by a lot of family offices around the world. So family offices, when they manage assets for the clients, they open accounts at LGT Bank in Switzerland in order to move in and out of different asset class, including crypto. So the private banks in Switzerland, they know how to deal with cryptocurrency clients. So you don't actually need to do the exchange. You just deposit your money, your cryptocurrency to the wallet that the bank provides, and the bank does the exchange for you. They top up your bank account with fiat in the amount that you send the crypto to. This is very next level thing in banking. Swiss bank are developed that much that they have their own crypto custody. They can exchange crypto for their clients. This is one of the best options if you have tens of millions or a couple of millions of dollars in crypto and you want this in safe Swiss banks. Spain is another option in Europe. Spanish BBVA Bank recently announced that they would allow crypto trading on their account, which is really exciting news because Spanish BBVA Bank is one of the largest banks in Spain, and such traditional bank publicly accepting crypto clients is a very big move in crypto development in the world. This feature is not available yet, so if you're locating in Spain or you have a BBVA account, you have to look for updates, you have to wait for those updates that allow crypto clients in. But when they do, this would be a very great asset on your account, because to have a traditional bank in European Union that accepts crypto deposit, that accepts crypto client is a very big asset to have. In the UAE, the Emirates NDB is one of the best banks for crypto. It's one of the largest banks there. Although they're not publicly accepting crypto clients, so you have to be really careful when withdrawing money from crypto to these accounts. Maybe do this incrementally. So what we advise our clients is to do this in chunks. So 10K, 15K, 30K at a time, maybe spread out across different months, not overload your account with large crypto withdrawals. But if you do this, if you have a history with the bank, if you're a low risk client for the bank, this bank will not have any issues with you using cryptocurrency on their accounts. The similar situation goes for Singapore and Hong Kong. So in Singapore, DBS Private and in Hong Kong, ZA Bank are not publicly accepting cryptocurrency client. But if you do this incrementally, if you build trust with the bank, if you build the history with the bank, they will not have any problem accepting you as a crypto client. Now that we talked about private banking, which is really suited for high net worth individuals, what about the people who have couple of 100,000 or a couple of millions in crypto and they want to use it in the banking system? The best option for these people are digital banks. So these are e-money institutions, generally in Europe or in Asia, that have digital banking and they accept cryptocurrency clients. So they accept deposits and withdrawals from crypto exchanges, from OTC desk. They do not ask unnecessary questions. They know how to check if the crypto is clean, if you are, as a person, as a client, a clean AML person. So there's one of the best ways you can choose to off-ramp large amounts of crypto is to use a digital bank. We at Xpate, we help clients open digital bank accounts specifically for crypto. So the client can withdraw a couple of 100,000 from crypto into this bank account to buy properties, to buy cars, or to use it on an everyday basis. So these banks generally have very nice digital banking banking cards, credit cards. So when you withdraw money to this bank, you can fully use this in the banking system, or you can transfer this money to a traditional bank, which is a low risk transfer. So your traditional bank doesn't touch crypto because it goes through your AMI account, through your digital bank, and the transfer from your digital bank to a traditional bank is risk free. It's an own transfer because the digital bank is in your name. So the bank sees this as you sending money to yourself, doesn't have any problems with that. The examples of these banks in Europe is Zen.com, is Bankera. In the UK, it's Monzo. We at Axped, we use different partners for this. We open bank accounts and crypto-friendly e-money institutions to help our clients buy properties, buy cars, buy jewelry from their crypto profits or from general their crypto movements into the real banking system. So to summarize this video, you have two options. If you're really, really rich, if you have more than $10 million in crypto, go for private banking. Banks in Switzerland, in Liechtenstein are one of the best options you can have. If you're on the smaller side, if you have to offer 1 million, couple 100,000 from crypto to fiat, digital banks, e-money institutions is your go-to. Those banks specifically work with crypto clients. Those banks are very well developed. They have banking apps, they have cards, so you can spend your crypto, you can spend your money, whatever you want. And after that, you can withdraw this money to a traditional bank. There's no problem in that. This transfer would be considered a low risk transfer because the digital bank is in your name, the traditional bank is in your name too. The transfer between these two accounts are considered low risk. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to know the full asset infrastructure, how to build the banking and the exchange system for your assets, check out this video right here. And thank you for watching this one.